Hello everyone. Today I want to tell my country, my beautiful country, Colombia. In Colombia, we use different topic about culture, economy, food, and tradition. And I invite all everybody to come to Colombia. It's beautiful. For example, in Cali, we dance salsa. Uh, it had the beautiful rivers, River Cali, and it had beautiful hotels and beautiful mountain, Cerro Tres Cruces, for example. And Colombia is biodiversity, biodiversity because it's very beautiful. For example, in Buenaventura, the beautiful food is mm, fish and Yanwa and Escargot and Cameroon. I invite to come to Ventura or to Colombia. It's a beautiful country. Coming, you can come to your family, dance salsa in Cali. Um, Colombia is a beautiful city. For example, Cartagena, Santa Marta, Barranquilla. Beautiful, 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 beautiful places for to see, for to dance, and everybody. I invite to come to Colombia. It's beautiful. Thanks.